In today's video, we're gonna be making akasan, which is one of the most popular and delicious Haitian breakfasts. Welcome to Emma HT Food with another homemade recipe. Hello guys, how you doing? So this is all the ingredients that I'm gonna be using to make this delicious recipe, you guys. This recipe is very good to make like for your family, especially if you have kids. It's so simple and quick, very delicious. But there's a way you can also make it from scratch. You buy the corn and then you blend it up to make the akasan. But this time I'm gonna be using the flour, the corn flour, which is already prepared for that. I'm just gonna mix it with some water, and I'm gonna boil some water first. I'm gonna add about like 4 cups of water, and then I was making about like 3 cups of corn flour. And this recipe, you just need to know how much, the amount of water you need to add in order for it to come out not too solid, not too liquid, and to come out well cooked. So it's not complicated. It's very simple, very delicious. You can make it like I said, in the morning, for breakfast, for your family, before school, for your kids. It's very healthy and it's also delicious. The only thing is that don't add, if you eat, the sugar is the problem, and the milk that you're gonna be using, you can use whole milk. You can just eat up the milk first and then add it. But this time I'm gonna be using concentrated milk and add it into it. And I'm not gonna add a lot of sugar because I don't like a lot of sugar, but you can add any amount of sugar that you like. And you guys, when I tell you this recipe was so delicious, oh my gosh, this is literally one of the best things that I like to have like for breakfast, like at least once a week. I make that. It's so delicious, you guys. And also, you guys, you can have it with bread. It's better to eat it with white bread. It tastes better, but you can eat it with any bread that you like. You can add peanut butter on top of in your bread, and then you literally gonna enjoy it, you guys. So it's almost ready, you guys. When I tell you I enjoy this breakfast, you guys, look at this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.